And may the force be with you.
Come to my dark side. There's a stormtrooper.
Aloha, my friends. This is Ohana Girls Guide to Life.
There's a stormtrooper.
And we're going to be doing a retro commercial in 1977.
Don't tell us.
Guess
because
what?
we know because it's right over
You
here.
might have guessed what the commercial is.
Wait a second. 1977, what movie came out?
Star
Star
Wars.
Wars.
The
Last Jedi?
No! It's A New Hope.
New Hope.
Oh.
I thought you were going to sleep outside tonight.
Wait, what?
I'm just kidding. Anyway, so in 1977, A New Hope, Star Wars, blew it out of the water. Awesome toys, and here's an awesome commercial from that generation. And imagine,
Wait, is that a doll?
yeah, imagine if you guys had that toy still in the packaging. You know how much it's worth?
$60,085.
Probably.
What?
Probably. But anyway, but not a lot of these toys exist anymore, and
Oh, man. What about
it was Kenner. Kenner made them in 1977, so this is a Kenner commercial.
What is?
All right, you guys ready to
It's
watch
from
it?
Disney, yo. And we go to
Yep.
Disney.
This is Princess Leia when she used to have the buns.
Bun
I
Buns.
miss her.
She's dead, you know.
Carrie Fisher, we love you very much.
Oh,
So,
Carrie
Is
Fisher.
Carrie Fisher still alive or is she dead?
she passed away.
That's sad.
Okay, so this is Kenner.
Then who's going to play the next gen?
Okay,
Leia?
you guys ready to roll?
Yeah.
Who's gonna play the next General Leia?
They have computers doing that, sweetheart. This is 2018. Come on now.
Oh. Wait, it's too...
You guys ready?
Yeah.
This is called 1977 Star Wars Early Bird Edition figure set commercials. So just to give you the background, I know you kids are interested in this, and I know everyone's interested in me talking. But anyway, and not reacting. You guys react? No, I just can't. So in 1977, they actually didn't have the toys ready yet. So Kenner had this bright idea of having the kids buy a box that had no toys in it. Could you imagine a box with no toys in it?
Really? That's so boring.
However, every month or so they would mail you the action figure once it was done. So it was early bird edition, and it was a success actually. And if you could still get those early bird edition boxes,
Maybe
and
like $6,000.
it's a lot more than that, sweetheart. So
$6,085.
I think he'll pay tuition for you for 1 year
Fortune.
at USC.
This is so
So
bad.
anyway, but besides the point, let's watch the commercial. You guys ready? All right, let's watch it.
1977 Star Wars.
Star Wars figures, R2-D2, Chewbacca, Luke, and Princess Leia. They're the Star Wars Early Bird set of figures. These 4 action figures are not yet available, but this Star Wars Early Bird certificate package is in stores, with this colorful Star Wars picture display stand and certificate sent in to get a set of 4 figures by mail. They'll be sent to you at home between February 1st and June 1st. The Star Wars Early Bird certificate package.
You're buying a box, but we're gonna give it to you later.
Yeah, like 60,000 years ago, it was like
What do you think?
That was good.
awesome because we love Star Wars and we're wearing a hat. Yeah.
Mahalo for watching, my friends. No rain, no rainbows.
rainbow.
Make sure you hit the
Subscribe button.
subscribe and the up or the what's that thumbs up button.
Yeah.
Make sure you
And the
share
bell.
and do all that other good stuff.
And bell.
And may the force be with you.
Come to my dark side. Aloha,
my friends. This is Ohana Girls